to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is explaining that there are a lot of resources in the US, which is available to anyone at any given time who needs the resources and help. She's saying that people should stop watching her and stop worrying about her life and live their own. She's also saying that since the resources are available to anyone and at any given time, they're able to take the opportunity to get those resources and use it for themselves. She's saying that there are billions of dollars that's laying around for poor people or for people that's in need of help, such as people that were people that are in domestic violence and also single parents. So Marcia is saying that the help is there and whoever need it should go and get it. But she's asking that everyone leaves her and her life the way that she wants to live it is the way that she's living it at the moment. So guys, go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
From one state to the other state and giving a house and something. Come out on a mental capacity. Come out. Stop come past social media. Come worry about Marcia. What did I do for her? Stop worry about me. Go seek help. Go look up resources that can help. If you don't like Bill, go find resources. There is billions of dollars laying around in America, and up until now it have not been used because una don't go for it. Una not watching news. There is a lot of organizations in America and the money is there sitting down, billions of dollars to help poor people, and una don't know where to go to get it. With domestic violence, mothers with kids and all kind of something, una don't know. The time when they on social media worry about Marcia life, go find it. Go find them. And stop coming jealous. I work hard and lift up my boxes to take care of myself. I have 30 years of nursing experience when it comes to home care, or hospital and nursing home to take care of the simple important matters. EKG, phlebotomy, washing patient, dressing patient, all of those things. The most important part. Because when the doctor do his surgery, we have to carry them back to help. We have to clean them up. We have to do all of that. We have to dress home care. We have to talk to them. We have to give them a medication. So our job is important too. Yes, we have 30 years of experience. Actually, 31. Come here 50. 32 years I come. Me have experience with that. You understand? So me no understand with uno. Me no understand uno. Go find uno happiness. Uno can't come up here a grudge a woman with single, free and disengaged. And I'm making it my own way one day at a time. Every day I wake up is a blessing, you know? Every day. Every day when I wake up, it's a blessing. Every day when I wake up, it's a blessing. That is where my blessing is. Nice and clean and have a roof on my head. At 7 days in a week, we cannot make it. We cannot push the days them any further than how it is. We cannot push it no further than what it is. We cannot push it no further than how it is. We're taking it one day at a time. No matter what you have, it's just one day at a time. Sweet Jesus. Because tomorrow will never be mine. Marcia, Richard, I wonder if she get fair one already. I think somebody get fair one already. South Carolina. Nicole Baptiste, 4K. Let me see. I have bathroom at Baltimore, Maryland. Okay, let me go ship off that. The Baltimore, Maryland. Yes, you cannot. See, the FedEx truck them is here, but you know, leave until 6 o'clock. You have Express come at 5 and ground at 2 of them there. And ground come at 6. So I'm gonna go in to do some shipping. We don't have to stop. Go get help. Stop come and worry about Marcia life. Me live in America. Stop worry about Marcia life. And go get food no one. We are wild. Wait until I done. Ship off all these people shipping. Then stone will start flying. Left, right, and center. But watch ya. Man, this is bad. This is a post office, you know. Yes, me dear. Let me go ship off the lady bathroom something. Bathroom mat. She named Marcia too. Henry 4 sheets. I wish part she there. We don't have her phone number upon this. How anybody upon the page spell Hunthia? How spell Untita? How something like so. Let me see. Anybody, I need you to call me. So me can't, because I don't think I get paid for that sheet to ship it. Anybody when I pay me for shipping the sheet, please call me. Nicole, she get fair one already. No, she live in Connecticut, so me go ship off fair one now. 4 King, Nicole. Alright. She live in Connecticut. So let me carry fair one, go inside. She live in Danbury, let me see. Nicole. Alright. So me I come off of my page and let me go do some shipping and zip up my little jacket. Me not have a time to come up with about pound. I waste of time. A time to start fling stone. And that is it. Me not joke with nobody. A time to start fling stone. This them a situation here, past joking matter. This is called harassment and bullying. And try to intimidate me. That blood clot now work. No boy and a girl now come on social media can intimidate me. Nope. Me have enough. I've been too motherfucking nice all these years on social media. Me not ride in a 2024 with them a fuckery. Go find no talent. Go find no talent and nobody now run me off of my page. Not a soul now run me off of my page that I work so hard. And them I get money and commercial, I mean I get none. Remember people to follow this page. I need 10,000 followers on this page. 10,000 followers. And what call me? Me notice if I put something in my phone, I don't hear my phone ring. Every phone a silent call. And what me do? You look at me turn off, it's in thing. Silent. Yes, that is it, silent. Don't worry about me. God provide a roof above me and a good place to sleep. And don't even talk about the people that I have behind closed door who is there for me. You understand? Who call me each and every day Hi Marcia, how are you? Big up on yourself. From Jamaica straight back. Canada, England, all over the place. Me have good people behind me. Me not ask you. We call and check up on me. And a lot of people call me and bless me and me not take it. Because I don't want to go here say, because I don't have no luck with it come to certain blessing. Because, and all I want people to do is to buy from my business. That's all. You understand? That's all I want. There's a lady in Jamaica, as I said, she reached out to me to ask for some help for her daughter's school fee. Anybody have any, would like to assist her, reach out to me, let me give you a number. Me tell her already, said me nah collect the money. I have to deal with her directly. Because I not go here, so me collect money, figure sleep it, figure pay, figure put over my head. So anybody have to do anything to assist that lady with from my goodness I want to heart, wanna reach out to me and let me give her phone number on WhatsApp. Hello? When there? You leaving me? What's going on? I just came. You see me where? I just been here for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You come back tomorrow? Yeah, so that is what it is. That's Express anyway. So he talk about he see me sitting out here. I didn't camera. But anyway, we catch you in that truck. As long as we ship them out. It look like he come early today. It look like I come early today. I'm a regular guys that with the truck. It look like the regular one. You might left here now. But that 2 truck me see there. You don't be out with that still in the car. Look at that, me 2 truck me see. Oh, 1 truck. Oh. Okay. So me I go inside and cause you know me go inside, me have to take out the box and take out this and take out that and whatever it is. So you know that go already. So I'm a phone if you charge up a little bit. Because I tell you charger much, I have to buy 1 tall charger. Yes. I have to buy 1 tall charger. So make me ship out when I can ship out now. Yes. So let me go make the phone call and call this how can I shoot this? This are 4 king and 4 queen. Wanna go, let me see if our name is on this. 3905 on it for sure. And it got too much. Alright. So me have them in my car, so let me go ship them out. What are we out of door cold? No sir. Them you call for a live blanket. What a lucky to me have 1 live blanket for the winter. And that the girl mad over. Them are mad over me, man call me. Them are mad over me, they call me. Have a live blanket. Me and the girl ready and I'm mad over. While them no have no man, them are mad That is it. And then did they worry about my coochie? Laddie. But anyway, let me go about business. Let me go get me little cart and carry it in. So when I go to the post office, this is what I have to do. I have to write up on this paper. When I'm shipping sheets, I have to fold the paper in 2 like this. Then I have to write my name and address right here. And in the middle, you write the customer. They place it on the sheets in the middle of the blankets or the box. And then put some tape over it and tape it down. That's what you have to use. So the girl always give me a lot to write up. So when I ship something at the post office, this is what I use. Because them you know, unless me buy the post office box with the writing already. Because I know when you buy the box on the post office, them have already to and from. So if you buy the box on the post office, it costs $7. If you them box, you hold 4 sheets. $7 for them box, you know. My one costs $4.75. So you see, so when me sell my sheets for 25 and 30 and whatever dollars, $4.75 for a box. That's only 1 box now, you know. So the $4.75 is deducting from it, from the sheet money. So you tell me now, What kind of money me I make? Really? Because the 475 have to come out of the box. Plus, I am the one who pay taxes for every items. Things are going to change. And then I have to write it up. But when me come at FedEx, yes or no, me don't have to do that. FedEx put it in the computer and print the seal and put it on it. That's why I love to come to FedEx. But true, me want to save about the people them some money, but me don't know how long me can do it, to tell you, because it's hurting my back. When I come here, me don't have to do all of that. Me only carry the items, and the girls them pack it for me because I treat them very good. Me give them sheets, me give them cologne. If I them birthday, me give them something. If I Christmas, me give them something. You have to treat people good to get good treatment. Because when you come to this place, if them pack your box for you, they have to charge you for the box, the packet, separately. So when we come here, these are the treatment that I get. Anywhere you go, you pay something like, if they pack the box for you, once them touch the box, tape it up, put the sheet in there, they charge a fee. They charge a fee. So that's why when I come here, it is much easier for me. Me not have to fill out paper. Me just go into the phone and then write up the address and type it in the computer. Bam bam. I could have 10 box. And then put 1, 2, 3, they mark the box. And when the print out now, the label them start come out now by the orders of how them set the boxes them. And then paste it on it.